Hi guys, welcome to my channel Shimmers and Polishes. If you're new here, I create eye makeup, nail art, DIY and sometimes crocheting videos. So welcome to Shimmers and Polishes, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it for notification. If you're anyone who loves pop of color on their lids or simply loves colorful eye makeup, then this is a tutorial for you guys. Simple, easy, blue green cut crease eye makeup look, perfect for any occasion, as I always say. So if you're interested, then please keep on watching. To begin with, I'm going to use Maybelline's Aged Wine Concealer in the shade Fair, and I'm going to apply that as my primer. You can use any concealer that is lighter or lighter than your skin shade so that the colors will pop. I'm going to use Morphe's 35B Color Burst palette, and I'm going to use the shade called Sky, and I'm going to apply that on above my natural crease, and I'm going to blend that well. First I'm going to just carve out the shape I want, and then I'm going to use this small pencil brush and I'm going to reapply this same shade over, and I'm going to slightly wing it out as well. I want it to look nice and blue, like popping blue. So once I'm done with that, I'm going to use the shade called Pillow from the same palette, and I'm going to use as my transition shade, and I'm going to blend those edges well so that they don't look harsh. So you can keep on reapplying the blue shade if it becomes lighter. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to cut my crease using LA Girls concealer in the shade medium beige. I'm going to use a very tiny brush, flat brush, to cut that crease. Because I have hollow eyes, sometimes what happens is when I open my eyes up, the concealer goes and touches that blue color. So it's okay, we are going to clean that later. I'm going to use this color called Moss Boss. It's a beautiful green shade, and on a flat shader brush, and I'm going to dab that over my concealer. I'm not setting that concealer, I'm just going to go over that concealer first with a brush and then with my fingers, because fingers are the best with shimmer metallic colors. And then I'm going to go over with a flat shader brush, and the concealer which had touched that blue part of my eye, I'm going to set that all in place again by reapplying that shade. I hope you understand. Sometimes I just run out of words. Next I'm going to use Sugar's brow definer in the shade Cherry Brown, and I'm going to fill in the sparse areas of my brows, and I'm going to brush that all in place. Next I'm going to use this beautiful Rimmel's 2-in-1 liner in Don't Be Shook. It's a beautiful shimmery eyeliner come eyeshadow, that's why it's 2-in-1, and I'm going to apply a thin winged liner. For my upper waterline, I'm going to use Maybelline's Gigi Hadid's Kohl liner in black, and once I'm done with that, I'm going to apply Maybelline's Colossal liner in turquoise on my low waterline. It's a beautiful blue shade. I'm just applying again and again so that there's a beautiful blue color, and I'm going to use the same blue shade, and I'm going to smoke out the lower lash line. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to apply the Balm's Merry Luminizer as my brow bone highlight, and I'm going to use the same shade in my inner corner as well. And I'm going to curl my lashes, apply loads of mascara, and here you go. You can apply falsies if you would like to. This is a beautiful, easy, beautiful pop of color eye makeup look, so you all need to give this a try. And once I'm done with that, I wanted some glitter. My channel is Shimmers and Polishes, so I need some glitter in my life. Your girl loves glitter, so I'm going to use Colourpop's glitter gel, and I'm going to apply that slightly all over my lid where the green is, so that there's a little shimmer going on. And this is the final look, you guys. I hope you enjoy watching this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe to my channel Shimmers and Polishes, and follow me on Instagram as well at Shimmers and Polishes. This is a beautiful, colorful eye makeup look. Do give this a try and tag me at Shimmers and Polishes. And guys, there are many more videos on my channel, so show some love by hitting that subscribe button. And I love you all, guys. Until next time, bye. Take care.